this video I will show you a few of the spectrometer designs that you could pick to use to build your own spectrometer. Here's a design that's about 40 millimeter long and 20 millimeter high. The slit position is shown there on the right hand side. It's collimated onto the diffraction grating. Zeroth order will continue toward the horizontal path, and the first order is diffracted diagonally down toward the imaging lens in the middle. So here's another design that's a little more compact. It's about 15 by 15 millimeter or so. If you need a more compact design, then this might be a better alternative. So this design is the one that's used in the demo video. The zeroth order is also designed so that it will not make it into the iPhone camera lens, the aperture. Only the first order would make it through. The detail of the enclosure can be seen in the animation of the CAD drawings.